Hey y'all, today is February 10th. It is 2:07, and it's actually today is the first performance night of my show, Troubled Water, Silent Waterfalls. Tonight at the Summerlin Library Theater of Performing Arts in Summerlin. I was actually in the middle of doing my hair, so I look kind of crazy right now. I apologize. I was actually in the middle of getting dressed. My hair looked like an afro a little while ago. Go! Old people can't drive. My hair looked like an afro a little while ago, but I just got through flat ironing it, and I have to finish with, makeup, eyebrows, so I look crazy with like a half an eyebrow right now. I haven't done really anything. At least I washed my butt, but I haven't done much else of anything other than clean myself, flat iron my hair, got my makeup and everything together. I'm not going to do that till I actually get to the theater. But anyway, I'm on my way to my son's school because while I was like halfway done with my hair, he's like, "Oh, Mom, by the way, I have a honor roll assembly today at 2:15. First of all, you've known about this for at least a week. Second of all, I have to be at the theater at 2 o'clock. I have to I have to pick them up from school. I have to get grandma ready, get her in the tub, get her hair done, get her dressed, go to the theater, do all that. Like, he called me literally, it was what, 12:30? And said, "Oh yeah, I have an assembly at 2:15. And you like, okay, what's the big deal? My son's, come on, seriously? I'm sorry, I have road rage right now because the cars in front of me aren't going anywhere. I don't know what the heck is going on. Anyway, you've known for at least a week, like I said, and you just not telling me? I have so much stuff to do, and I don't miss my kids anything, unless I just really cannot, under any circumstance go. But I'm there, whether it's basketball games, assemblies, choir performances, everything, but especially like an honor roll assembly. You think I'm not gonna be there? Like, come on. And what's so crazy, I knew he forgot because the last performance he had at school, his teacher his teacher asked me, he was like, "Why didn't you come to the performance?" I said, "What performance?" He was like, "You didn't tell her, John?" He's like, "Oh yeah, I forgot." Really? So I guess he wants to ask him, "Oh, is your mom coming to the assembly, your award ceremony?" He's like, "Oh, I didn't tell her." His teacher called me from the classroom. His teacher called me from the classroom and had John on speakerphone like, "You better let her know, because my son's teacher knows how I am about my kids." You know what I mean? And I love that he has that type of teacher that's like, his teacher will call me in a second, or his godfather, like, quickly, whether it's good or bad. He's very, involved. You know what I'm saying? And he's like, John's a good kid. He's a wonderful student. So I want to make sure he succeeds. And that takes not only the teacher, but it takes the parent. And it takes teamwork. And I love teachers like that. So I actually just got to the school. What it's like, almost like it's 2:12, so it starts in like 3 minutes. So yeah, but I'm like frantic and rushing because I have so much stuff to do. I hate when kids do this so last minute. It really bothers me. Sorry y'all, my pants was rolling up at the bottom. But yeah, it feels really good. Out here it's kind of gloomy though. But See, I got on short sleeves and like capris, kinda, my Jordans. So you don't need a coat anymore. It's been like in the low 70s, mid 70s, high 60s past couple of days. But, yeah, so I'm gonna get on in there and I'll see you guys in a minute.
For all my AB honor roll students, they have one of the same characteristics, which is they take pride in their schoolwork. Thank you.
Yes.
John Morgan Jr.
Yay! Go, baby!
Giovanni Cabrera. Yes, he has. And from what CT tells me, my genius nephew Kevin might just be the next Wall Street mogul.
That's right, Uncle Lenny. I had to grab the bull by the horns.
My baby sister and my baby brother. All the way from New York City. Actually, by the way, Orlando. Lenny and I had to take care of some business there, and since we were so close to our hometown, I called CT and he arranged for us to get here to surprise you.
And here we are to wish you a happy birthday in person.
Well, this is far much better than I could wish for. Oh, everybody just sit down, relax, and let's catch up on everything. CT!
Yes, Mars.
Baby, take their bags to Janice's room.
Okay.
Hannah, how you been, girl? Ooh, Emma God keeps me strong to deal with that youngest one of mine. Lord, one day Dee Dee wants to be a cosmetologist, the next a dental assistant, and today she gonna tell me she gonna be waiting tables down at some nightclub. She sounds a lot like the way I used to be, girl. Dee Dee is what they call one of those around the way girls. Let her explore. She'll find herself eventually. Well, she just better find her way out of my house soon. Girl, I was entertaining Deacon Smith the other night. Made my very special lasagna. Served it by candlelight. I was trying to create a mood. You know what I mean. Anyway, girl, I thought Dee Dee was gonna be gone for a while. So I put on one of my baby face tapes. Well, just say when the deacon and I started dancing cheek to cheek. Girl, Dee Dee came busting through the front door, turned on the kitchen light, and helped herself to a plate of lasagna. That girl showed enough. I know she gonna disturb my groove right. Lord Jesus. Patty, you still crazy, girl. You always didn't know how to flirt with the guys and have a good time. Yes. Especially when you had a few too many gin and tonic shots, honey. Want a sweet? Ow! Girl, Emma, I ain't touching none of that hard stuff in over 10 years. before I got saved. Ooh, now you know that wasn't a day that went by that I didn't have at least 3 glasses of the mix before going to bed. Ooh, I can remember that tequila sunrise. And that slow gin fizz. And that Harvey Wall banger. Ooh, yes, Lord! Thank you, Jesus. Ooh, girl, but I'm saved now. Hallelujah! He saved me. Ooh, I'm clean, girl. You go, girl. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Pray for me, Hannah. You're so good. Don't judge me now. Well, I've been trying my hand at gourmet cooking. What? Really? Yeah. Come on. You can always learn. What kind of gourmet cooking? Check this out. I'm experimenting with Japanese hors d'oeuvres called sushi roll. They're made out of raw fish.
Raw fish? I gotta have crispy coating on any fish that's going on. And the only rolls I'll eat are coming out the oven baked at 400 degrees.
I am with you, brother-in-law. Maybe since brought some of that sushi stuff over to my place. I threw it in the garbage.
Lenny and Jacobs. If it was left up to you two, I'd be serving hog head cheese on saltine crackers for appetizers.
And you sure right about that, baby. Put it on a Ritz cracker, and we are good to go.
When y'all are ready to show some real class, come see me, honey. But baby sis, I'm getting so upset.
But maybe that sushi thing just isn't right for the people in this part of the country.
Y'all just keep on being closed-minded. But this sushi thing is gonna catch on. Oh, you'll see. Someday, I'll open up my own restaurant. And on the menu, there'll be sushi shrimp, sushi tuna, sushi crab, ooh, sushi eel.
Oh!
Okay, all right, baby sis. Okay, we get the picture. Girl, I got to give it up to you for coming up with something new. No matter how strange it sounds.
Hey! Why don't we get this party started with some fresh coffee?
Oh, let me help you, Jacob. I got a coffee recipe where you add a little crushed ice and voila, iced coffee.
Baby sis, don't nobody want no iced coffee. You need to stay away from my coffee pot.
Sally, don't be such a country bumpkin. Try something new every once in a while. Oh, wait for me, Jacob. I'll make you a special cup of my iced coffee. Add a little vanilla and it's the bomb, baby. Come on, y'all. Let's get this party started. Kevin, come on. Turn on the radio, baby. Let's start a soul drink flashback. I'll do that.
Money ran Nolly beats.